Hi guys, I'm Lisa and welcome back to What the Bake. This week we will be making delicious chocolate ganache. Now chocolate ganache is basically just a fancy way of saying chocolate sauce, and it's actually super easy. You only need 4 ingredients. In a mixing bowl we add our chocolate, our sugar, butter and cream. Once all your ingredients are in the bowl, we will move to the microwave. Microwave the mixture for about 2 minutes, but stir every 30 seconds. You do not want the chocolate to burn. If you see that your chocolate starts seizing up, you can add a little bit of extra butter just to smooth out the mixture. You guys, this ganache is so delicious and it's so versatile. You can use it to make a chocolate drip on your cake, you can put it on cupcakes, filling of a cupcake, or sometimes I like to just enjoy it out of the bowl. I hope you guys like this video. If you want to see more content like this, please let me know in the comments below. And as always, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button. I'll see you soon.